They said Trill made that shit.
So today we're making some oxtail. You know, normally I don't do no cooking videos, but I'm gonna show you how to do this guy real quick. This gotta take like 45 minutes, bro. It's got a pressure cooker, you feel me? So we're gonna get started there. Matter of fact, we're gonna make us a little bit of some rice also in that rice cooker. And this about to be. So the first thing I did was, you know, I washed them all off and stuff like that. Right now I'm putting up these. This is pure meat. Look at that, pure meat. A little bit of fat on there, but that's what you want. And I try to, you know, this right here is that dang on Tetris right here, which means I was in the right areas. So these pieces right here, they're small enough that they're gonna fit anywhere. Put that one right there. Look at that, see? That's why you gotta love these pieces, and they're just pure meat, man. Most of them like, it's so fucking good. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use also. So most of the time I stand them up like this, but in order to have room, you're gonna lay them things down. Because, you know, the water gotta fit, you know, right there it says max water, pop, pop. So the water has to be slightly over it. All right, so I just did the water slightly over it a little bit, you know, because I didn't want it to come all the way out. But now I'm about to put this thing in the pressure cooker. I got this Ninja Boy, thing is pressure cooker / fucking air fryer. That thing does numbers. Dug them low, all right. Just a little time. Do it for 15. Let's do 20 minutes at first. All right, let's start. Oh, go ahead, baby, go ahead. As this right here is building pressure, see, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. So, I use the Lipton beef onion soup. Bruh, this thing right here is the key to everything. I mean, you also get the brown gravy and stuff, also. And if you wanna thicken up your brown gravy, all you do is just add, I mean, this is if you want to, you can add flour, you know, cold water and flour, and you mix the thing up, you know, skirt, in the kitchen, whipping like a stir fry, like that. All right. I also got my, this right here, and I have my salt inside of here that I'm gonna use also, but that's for another time. And for the rice, most of the time I use white rice, but I decided to try this Caribbean rice to see how it tastes with it. This right here, don't worry about this. This is what I use for my chicken. So this right here is the finishing product of my brown rice. And my oxtails, man, they're so good. Just look at them things. Look how much meat is on them, like, oh my gosh. But I didn't film like a lot of stuff, but I just want to give y'all at least the finished product. So the thing with those oxtails in that pressure cooker, what you want to do is, like I said before, with the oxtails in the water, you want the water just to be right above it. And you want to put it on low pressure for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes, it'll beep. Pop that thing open, get a fork, stick it inside of it to see if it's tender or not, or if it's even close. If it is getting tender, or if it's already tender, go ahead and put those brown gravy packets in. And put one at a time, and you want to mix them up. You want to mix them up. Do, steady mixing, like, you know, whipping like a stir fry. Remember that. All right? And then you're going to set the pressure cooker for 15 more minutes. Possibly 20 minutes, but it's up to y'all. But the thing with that gravy is that you want to put that in a shaker bottle, and you want to put cold water in it and shake it up and pour it inside of it. And you want to keep mixing it. Boom, just keep on mixing it. Remember, wrist whipping like a stir fry. And me, I use 4 gravy packets all the time. You don't have to do that. But that Lipton onion soup that I had, you want to put that inside of it first, okay? And then do the gravy. Those 4 packets, and that's all you need. And make sure you got your seasons that you're going to use, and that's it. Thank y'all for watching.
They said Trill made that shit.